making adjustments to discounted cash flow valuation. What these adjustments are, why do we need to make these adjustments? Let us understand. Let us understand them one by one. And number one, we need to be very clear, and that is when we are using discounted cash flow method. Remember, we are arriving at the value using the discounted cash flow method. That means what? That means the value that we arrive at using discounted cash flow method takes into account effects of all the operating assets. यानी कि बिजनेस की सारी एसेट्स को यूज करके जो कैश फ्लो पैदा होता है, जनरेट होता है, वी find the present value of that cash flow and arrive at the value of the business, and that is your valuation using the discounted cash flow method. So you would automatically understand that in the process of arriving at the value using discounted cash flow, the effect of all the non-operating assets which are lying with the company, that effect does not come into the value that you have arrived at using the discounted cash flow. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि we will need to make adjustment for all those non-operating assets which are lying somewhere, and we will need to find out the realizable value of those assets and add those realizable value of those assets to the value that we have arrived at by using the discounted cash flow, and this combined figure will be the value of our business. I am sure this must be completely clear with every one of you. Is it clear to you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so I think it makes very clear sense as to why do we have to make this adjustments, right? So let us understand one by one as to what these adjustments are and why do we have to make these adjustments. So number one, we have to make adjustment for surplus cash.